Hey, what's up, y'all? Sorry that I'm late to the new update, but it's me back, Honky Monster, on the channel, and we're back on Car Crashers 2 on Roblox, and they actually had a new update, which is a very big update that you are about to hear it. Okay, see the update 56. I almost completed it. I just need, like, a Lythan, Emira, which I don't know what it is in real life, but it's still really cool. And they added a new engine vehicle sounds, which is actually so amazing that you probably might guys hear it. I but the bad news, guys, I cannot show you to all of the car's sounds, so yeah. Sorry. But oh well, let's check out some new cars. I'm right I'm right over here. And let's see. Ooh, here's the first new car. The Ford Touring Interceptor. And this is actually it's really amazing. Like it's a new police vehicle and I love it so much. This came out in 10 out of 10. And I'll let you guys hear the sirens for a little while. And the siren sounds kind of like amazing, so I'll let you hear it. Okay, literally, that's awesome. So I thought it was like faking at first impression that it was actually not gonna sound too good, but it actually is. Like it sounds like in real life, which is so amazing. All right, let's see if it can make it to 100. I tried it once and it did. So let's see. It went in 75, but I'll try again. I'll try again. Oh, there's that fake Lamborghini. Uh, Terzo Millennial. Alright, there you go. Why am I drifting? Because I put low gravity on. Okay. Oh my goodness, big crash. I'll let you guys hear the engine. This sounds really amazing, the engine sound. And by the way, I painted in white because, because, is, and the police thing black because, it's because maybe Penwell's, it's not Penwell's, but maybe because Accepted Disgrace, actually made a mistake. He puts in blacks, but oh well. Why? Because I need to test new vehicles on the water slide to make it 100 points. And yes, guys, sorry if I don't have a face cam because my face cam it's just shut off. It doesn't even it doesn't even work very well because it doesn't really work. Like I tried it once and it wouldn't it wouldn't let me because it was kind of broken. Like out of percent. Hey, and I made it to 100. It's like a shredder shredding a car and shredding me. Can you give me the admin again, please? Sure. Here. Okay. Oh, and I actually want to test it out. On the big ramp. The giant ramp. Actually, take it for a test drive. This thing is sick. This thing actually looks really sick, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my. Uh-oh, I probably should not have done that drift. Uh-oh, I'm gonna screw up. Nope, okay. Never mind. Alright. It's kind of slow, but it's not that bad. Okay. Oh, barely made it in because it touched in. Oh well, whatever. And made it out. How lovely. And smoothly. Next one. Oh, Tiscali Home Mobile. Oh, looks sick. It's because I saw the leak on X and it seems really, really amazing. Wow. Cannonball! Fudge myself off.
Who's here?
It's me, Jewel.
Oh.
I'm recording, Jewel.
Okay, sorry. I'm gonna leave.
Man, shut your mouth. Keep freezing. Because of your PC, I tested it out and it would not even go into the 100, so I'm not gonna do that again. Why does this game keep freezing? Why does his I'm on mobile. Like why does my game keep freezing? It's because of his PC. I'm on mobile. Oh, but still your mobile has problems. Okay. This might be one of the longest cars. This might be one of the longest vehicles in the game, and it's really amazing. Wow, this handles really horrible. I have a feeling it's not gonna go in. We're over. Yes, it's too long that it won't even get up the ramp. But that's still cool. actually will look really cool. I tried a lot of times with this Audi e-tron Qubit. I know that there's a fake Lamborghini that I will try, but first let me just try this to see if I can make this thing to 100. And also, it's an electric car, and it's actually the best for off-road. But does it go in? I know I just tested a lot of times and it doesn't go in, but I'll try. I'll still try. Oh! Oh, yeah. Alright, I tried. But, no. Okay, I'll put on normal gravity. And when I came here, I'll put on low gravity. Alright. Okay, that might be better. Even if I straighten it up. Maybe I just don't do it right now. Look what happens. What could possibly go wrong? The heck? I can keep trying. If I could. But I don't know if it's gonna make it in. Ooh. Oh, it barely touched it. God damn it. Oh my goodness me. How? How are we never get this car into 100 yet? Whoops. Sorry about that. Let's see what you did. I like that. It's really cool. Come on. Alright, here we go. Again. Oh, okay, you know what? I'll do it. Fine. Fine. I'll do it again. Okay. Oh, now he's left. Oh, well. Because of his mobile. What the heck? Oh, well. Woohoo! Oh, I barely touched it. It's very sensitive. He's very sensitive. Okay. I have to keep trying and trying and trying and trying and trying. Fine. I'll keep trying. What? Whoa. Settle down there, buddy. Oh! How in the world am I supposed to make it in? I don't get it. Oh, there we go! Thank goodness me, that didn't take long. Thank me. Alright. Here we have a fake Lamborghini Huracan Spider. I knew it that the next update will be the fake Lamborghini Huracan Spider. But I'll just pretend that is the Lamborghini Huracan Spider. But it's actually fake. But I'll just pretend, okay? Just not let anyone know that I will not let anyone know that it's fake. Also, like the revving sound of this Lamborghini sounds really legit. Like I'll let you I'll let you listen to hear this. Like you hear that? That's how you get the bitches. This car's so nice and really amazing. Even though the headlights look even fake. But that doesn't even matter. Oh. Alright. Oh, what the hell? What? No, I'm gonna ignore. Ayo, no. I mean, like, soon on the next update, or other next update will be like a fake Lamborghini. Centenario, or a fake Lamborghini Urus, or a fake Lamborghini Murcielago, or a fake Lamborghini or a fake Lamborghini um or a fake Lamborghini Gallardo, or a fake Lamborghini Urus, or a fake Lamborghini Centenario, or a fake Lamborghini Murcielago, at least on this next update, or other next update. We'll see about that, okay? This shooting on flames. Oh no, the lag. I really didn't want to get into 100 so bad. Oh, touched the ceiling, but it made it. Oh, it landed on top of the tunnel so smoothly. That's how I like to hear. All around me are familiar faces. What up places? What up faces? I actually did the Brower 900 thrust once, and it actually made it into a 100 perfectly, so I'll try that again.
The spaghetti's ready.
Man, shut your mouth.
Come on, eat, y'all.
Okay, let me just finish this. Oh well. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat dinner, guys. Sorry. I'll be right back. I'm back now. I was sorry. I was eating dinner. It was actually like spaghetti, but not just like this, not just like any spaghetti, but like the little tubes of the spaghetti. It's kind of same like a macaroni and cheese, like mac and cheese, but no, it's just spaghetti. And also, you might be wondering, why am I using the Lamborghini Huracan Spider fake again? Because I forgot to test it on the big ram. So yeah. Oh, whoops. I did not even do it right. Oh, poor Lambo. Okay, let's hope. Oh, so close. I'm gonna try this again, see if I can get a little bit faster and go over it. Hope I can this time. Your your stars of the gems is pretty amazing though.
Yeah.
When you're here. Well, I can go fast, but it makes the handling even worse. But oh well. Hope it works. Yes, it does. Makes a difference. Oh, that went way farther than I thought. Oh my goodness. All right, back to the Brower 900 thrust to see if it can reach to 100 points. And if it doesn't, it's a miss. I hope this is a hit. If not, it's a miss. It's a miss. Alright. Bam. Oh, it's still a miss. hot pink color. Very hot. Very hot. Oh gosh. Kippy Pro Gamers joined the experience once again. Interesting. Oh yeah. Oh what? Oh, give it a kick. Oh, did we do it? Yes! Woohoo! It's now a hit. You back here again? Alright, and ooh, Shizaka Circulera Peak. That's amazing. Back here again? Good. Yes. You back here again? Yes, good. This is actually a really amazing car. It's really amazing. I know what is Jin. I know what is going wrong. Oh yeah. I know what's going wrong too. First attempt! What? Oh my goodness, first attempt on the water slide on this car. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. But what about the big ramp? Let's see. Also, I gotta say, this sounds really amazing. Give me... Bruh, okay. There. Hi. Oh, in the first attempt. Oh, wow. Again. Hi. Berman Cass. That's amazing. Oh gosh. Oh, that was actually another new stun. Alright. But I think there's only one thing missing. Testing the top speed of all the cars. So, okay. Police. Here you are. Oh, before I show you the police, I've seen a new leak. Oh, really, Papa Pats? I've saw the new leak that this car, this McLaren MP4/4, actually had a new engine sound that I've heard it. Can I launch nuke? Sure. I'm just gonna full core. Like, look at it. It's so amazing, and I can. It really sounds like an F1 car. Yo, really sick that it sounds like an F1 car. Oh my goodness. Okay. Uh-oh, something happened. Uh-oh. Okay. Sure. Wait, let's hope I find a boat. Let's hope I find a boat. Actually, no. I'm just. Wait for me, boy. Here you are. This guy with the chicken head. And boom. So sick. Alright. Now we can test the top speed of all the cars. All of the new cars. Okay, so Ford Police Interceptor. I'll put back. Oh, whatever.
Explosion imminent. Evacuate the facility immediately.
Oh, whatever. Let's do one last one. Let's do one more. Can I go in with this? Can I get in with this? In the car? I mean, I can, sort of. But oh well. Alright. Alright, now let me test the top speed of the new cars. Don't nuke. I'll put on back normal gravity. Gotta make sure he doesn't nuke. It really looks 100% real, I'm not gonna lie. Wow. Alright. Brum, 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 brum. Gotta find out what's the top speed. 207. 207, not bad. Okay. It didn't do damage, but it's still cool. What the heck? I put on normal gravity. What are you talking about? It's kinda homobile. Alright, sounds kinda interesting. '88. That's top speed. 88. Now the fake Lamborghini Huracan Spider. Let me just destroy this car more. It's because I want to test out. Because I want to know what's the top speed. Make it a little bit lighter. Okay, well, I think that's the lightest it gets. Because I don't want to destroy. Because I don't want to destroy too much. So yeah. Alright. Alright. Yeah, like you can see, it's like 270. 272. Not that bad. Oh my goodness.